Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy BONK coin on ByBit exchange. It's a quick and simple tutorial. Make sure to stick around and subscribe to this channel if you will find this guide useful. So to buy BONK, you of course need Solana. So to buy Solana, or to basically you can have a crypto deposit from another exchange, or you can go ahead and one click buy. With it, you can go ahead and buy Solana, just like so, from your bank, from Alipay. So you can use all of these methods like Balance, Alipay, Apple Pay, and bank card, and so on and so forth. So the best would be with Alipay, as you can see, and you can go ahead and buy Solana here, or you can also go on spot trading. And from here, you can, for example, buy Solana with your USDT. After you will have Solana, you want to go ahead to your assets and go ahead and click convert option right there at the top right corner. Click convert. You will be redirected to this page where you're gonna choose from Solana and you're gonna choose BONK. It's this one. And after that, you're gonna write down how much you want of Solana to spend, and then you will get your BONK. So that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.